Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install mods in Minecraft 1.21.8. Let's get started. First, quit Minecraft and open a web browser. The first thing we need is a mod loader. We'll use Forge, search for Forge Minecraft 1.21.8 and go to files.minecraftforge.net. Then click on the installer for 1.21.8. You may see an ad page. Just press skip at the top right and start the download. Next, we need some mods. Here to CourseForge, select Minecraft and go to mod loader, then choose Forge and then browse mods for 1.21.8. For example, I'll get journey map, click files, then select the correct version and download it. Before installing, make sure you have Java installed from java.com. Once that's ready, open the Forge installer, select Install Client, and press OK. If it doesn't open, right-click the file, then select Open With, then go to Java, and try again. Now open Minecraft Launcher and go to Installations, then find Forge and click the folder icon. Open the mods folder and drag in the mods you downloaded. Remove any old mods to avoid conflicts. After that, launch Minecraft using the Forge profile, then press mods and you'll see your mods ready to use. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.